Hi everyone, and welcome back to my kitchen. Today I will be showing you how to make Mexican rice. So let me show you the ingredients first. This here is for 2 to 3 people, so I only have a half a cup of rice, a tablespoon of chicken bouillon. I also have 3 tablespoons of tomato sauce, 2 garlic cloves, optional. For this ratio, I have 1 cup of water, and you will also need oil. So let's move on to the stove so I can show you how to make this.
First things first, you want to turn on the burner. I like to have it at about a medium-low heat, more towards the medium side than low. So now you're going to add your rice into your cooking pot, and you're going to add oil to that rice. What you want to do is you want to saturate your rice with the oil, but you don't want to use too much oil that your rice comes out really oily. So you just want to coat the rice. Next, you're going to add your garlic cloves, and you're going to lightly fry all these ingredients together. You're lightly frying the rice and you're lightly cooking that garlic. So you have to be at the stove this entire time. You can't just hang out, watch TV while this is happening, because you can literally burn your rice and it's going to stink and it's going to taste nasty. I've done it before, trust me, learn from my mistakes. Continue to stir all the ingredients in the pot, and if you can see here that my rice has turned into a light golden brown, and that's what you want, but you're not done. You need to go a little bit further with the color, and that will infuse more flavor, trust me, and make sure that garlic isn't burning. And if you need to, turn down your burner a little bit lower and just fry everything at a lower pace, but just achieve that nice color, and I'll show you what that looks like. I really hope that you guys can see the difference, but I have achieved the color that I want for my rice. It's looking good, it smells divine. But what I've done here is I've turned off my burner because I'm gonna add the rest of the ingredients, and it tends to kind of fry up and bubble up and splash out, and I don't want that, so that's what we're gonna do next. So next I'm adding in the water. Be careful with this step, try not to burn yourself. That's why I turn off the burner, it just makes things a little easier. Give it a nice stir. And then next, you're gonna add your chicken bouillon or your chicken seasoning powder and just mix that in there too. Lastly, put in your tomato sauce, mix that in there. You can do less tomato sauce if you want. I just really like the tomato taste that it gives, but what you will notice is if you put too much tomato sauce, it won't absorb into the rice very well, and it'll leave a bunch of tomato sauce puree at the very top of your rice. I don't mind it, but if you want it to infuse throughout, then just add a little bit less, but I don't mind it at all. And I completely forgot to mention that after you add in your water and the rest of the ingredients, turn on your burner and continue cooking this. You just want it to develop a light boil in a medium-low heat, and once you develop that light boil, you're gonna put the lid on, and then you're gonna put your burner at a very low heat until it continues cooking for about 25 to 30 minutes.
Alright guys, the rice is done. It's delicious. It only took about 25 to 30 minutes to finish cooking completely. I turned it down low, it simmered, did its thing. Oh, it's delicious. My rice came out nice. It separates. I know some people like to make their rice really mushy. I'm not about that life, but this is delicious. I'm going to try it. It's so good. But I'm not gonna lie to you, I've been eating it. Even though I'm waiting for my husband to get home so he can grill the carne asada that's marinating in the fridge that I made this afternoon, and the beans aren't done cooking, so we're just gonna have a little Mexican food fest right now. And I hope you guys really like this recipe. I hope you guys try the recipe, and hopefully you guys get the courage to make it. It's really not that hard, it's really easy. And if you guys like this video, don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye. It's missing some margarita.